Felicia, well, the Florida Hospital Association says the fact that the Biden administration is sending free masks to people and increasing the number of at-home tests the administration is distributing are both very important in the fight against the spread of COVID-19. However, she says, the FHA president, that the most important thing the federal government can do is provide financial support to hospitals in Florida.
That really is where the federal government could make a huge difference in helping hospitals weather this storm.
Florida Hospital Association President Mary Mayhew says the increase in costs from hospitals being forced to use temporary staffing agencies and pay out more bonuses is something the federal government could help cover. But President Biden did not outline any plans to do that in his address to the nation today. However, he did discuss some other updates that experts say will help keep Americans safe.
But I know that for some Americans, the mask is not always affordable or convenient to get. So next week, we'll announce how we are making high-quality masks available to the American people for free. I know we all wish that we could finally be done with wearing masks. I get it. But they're a really important tool.
The president also says 500 million more at-home tests will be distributed on top of the $500 million that's already being secured. He says the White House is on track to roll out a new website next week anyone can use to get tests shipped directly to their home. Another plan, mobilizing 120 federal healthcare workers to 6 states to help with hospital staffing shortages. Florida is not one of those states.
Unfortunately, the reality is there's not some massive pool of healthcare personnel nationally that can be deployed. The numbers that I had previously seen, they're fairly small. And so it's hard to imagine, at least in terms of a state as large as Florida, what kind of a difference that would make.
Now, Mayhew says in addition to financial support, the FHA is calling on the federal government to also send more monoclonal antibody treatments to Florida hospitals. We did reach out to the Biden administration to see if the White House would accommodate those requests, but we have not heard back at this time. Reporting live in Palm Beach County, Steve King, WPBF 25 News.